Toyota Voxy 2021. Install Senpai Android GPS big screen player and two-way auto front cam. Reverse convex AHD super wide parking reverse camera. Then change to D or parking or N. View auto front cam. Connect original front camera. NTSC front camera. For 10 seconds. You can set for 15 or 20 seconds. So how to set for the auto front cam? Full menu, setting, reverse, extend forward view. So if you choose close, that means you turn off the auto front cam. 10 seconds, 15 seconds or 20 seconds for auto front camera function. Okay. When you're driving, if you want to turn on, only show for the front camera, full menu, you have to turn on aux. This is front camera, original front camera, NTSC version. Okay. Reverse, parking reverse. This is convex AHD super wide reverse camera. Auto front camera. So this is Toyota Voxy 10.1 inch with full casing, QLED screen, multi-angle view, and a plug and play socket. Installed by One Piece and video by Andy. Thank you.